After about a minute in the microwave on high power, you take it out and you'll notice that it's still very chunky. The important part now is to take those chunks and squeeze them together. And you'll find that they basically melt down. You want to make sure that all of the little lumps are gone and that the texture is a little bit on the soft side, because you're going to have to take this cheese and pull it apart. If it's a little bit hard, put it in the microwave for another 10 seconds, and it should be about the right consistency. You'll notice that the water, you can dump that. Mold the cheese so that there's a thick outer part, and then make a hole. And start to pull it apart, and a little bit at a time. As you're pulling, you'll see that it pulls fairly easily. You want to turn it, twist it, and pull it together. One more time, you want to pull it apart, and do this over a sink because it is wet. Pull, twist. The more you string it and the more you twist it, the stringier the cheese will be at the end. So now I've got this fairly compact. I dip it in the salt, and then I take my middle finger of each hand and I turn it. Finally, I'm going to take the one end and pull it into the other, much like a knot. I will again dip it in the salt and place it on my tilted tray. The tilted tray allows the excess water to drip out. When you're ready to store the cheese, you want to take each one of these individual cheeses and place it in a baggie or wrapped in plastic wrap.